I've been using this oil to cook for so many years, and since almost every oil is good for the hair and for the scalp, I came up on a weird idea. I know I'm a little bit crazy, but I thought, oh, I wonder what the cooking oil would do to my hair and what are the benefits. Now, it's in German, so I looked up the English word and I was shocked to see the translation. It's called rape oil in English. Yes, you hear me right, rape oil. And well, as you can see on the bottle, there are some pictures of the plant. So I guess you all know what I'm talking about. It's this yellow flower that blossoms in summer all over the field. Yeah, so I'm giving it a try and just to find out how it would affect my hair. And yeah, you can also try it and see what it will do to your hair and give me a feedback. So now I am steaming my hair on the plastic cap, and I might leave it on for the whole night. And I also add some peppermint oil. We're not supposed to call that oil as it is written on here. Somehow forbidden. So it's peppermint oil, and that's good for the scalp. So I also put it inside and I massage my scalp for around 1 to 2 minutes. And now I'm going to see the result for tomorrow. Okay, then have a wonderful evening once more. Bye. Okay, in this case, it's good if you use an old towel. So I'm mixing both oil together. And as you can see, I have my hair braided. It's been braided now since over a week. And but I like to steam once a week when I find the time. So I thought, why not try this? Put some of the oil, you know, on the hair, the ends, on the scalp, and steam it with the plastic bag. So I'm going to apply all of this on the scalp through the whole hair and steam it for about an hour or overnight. Yeah, so if you would like to try and see the results, then tell me, or do so and tell me your results as well. So then when I take down my hair, or rather when I lose it out, then I will show you how it looks. As for now, I'm wishing you all a wonderful weekend, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.